to fix headphones or earphones not working in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix headphones or earphones not working in Windows 11. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to check Advanced System Settings. For that, right-click the Start icon. Select Settings option. From this left panel, select System. Scroll down. Tap or click on About section. And from this device specification, head towards Advanced System Settings. Now from this section, you need to click on Hardware and choose Device Installation Settings. After that, you need to click on Device Installation Settings option, and if it is set to Yes, recommended, then you need to change it to No, and your device might not work as expected, and click on Save Changes button. After that, you need to close this tab. Once done, you need to make sure to enable and start performance logs and alerts. For that, again you need to click the search icon and type in services. After that, you need to open the Services app as administrator and click on Yes button, and then you will land on the section in the Services windows. You can easily press P, and then you need to locate Performance Logs and Alerts. If you don't find that way, simply scroll down, and here you got the option of Performance Logs and Alerts. Right click and select on Properties option. From this new windows, you can change the startup type to automatic. And after that, you need to click on Apply and then click on OK button. And again, you need to right click on Performance Logs and Alerts option and then click Start button to activate the service. Once you have done that, you need to simply cross this window and click on OK button. Finally, you can update or refresh audio drivers. Right-click Start icon and select Device Manager option. Once you open it, you can simply expand Sound, Audio and Game Controller option. And from here, you need to locate your audio driver. Example, Realtek or a specific device. And right-click on it. After that, you need to select Update Driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. Now, if the best drivers is already installed, you can right-click the device again, and then you can disable the device. And after that, enable the device to refresh it and completely restart your system. After that, it will apply the changes and your headphone or microphones not working on Windows or earphones not working on Windows 11 will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.